Hi children, hope you are doing good. And now my little ones, today we are going to study worksheet number 124 and 125, video number 83. It's like singular plural, right? We are doing with nowadays. It's like fairy, fairies, right? So let's see how to go about this. Now we have few words which are ending with Y. Few words which are ending with Y with a consonant before it or sometimes a vowel before it. Here I read it for you. Add IES by removing Y to the words that end with Y and have a consonant before it. It says that it must have a consonant if the word is ending with Y. You need to make singular to plural by removing this and writing this IES. I repeat, if a word is ending with Y and it has a consonant just before it, you will remove the letter Y and write IES in its place. Let's see few examples. Auntie, aunties. How do you do? AUNTIES. This is aunties. How we are able to write it? Y is the last letter in the word, so you will cut this. Why are you cutting it? Because there is a consonant before it. You are cutting the last letter Y because there is a consonant just before it, and in the Y place you are writing IES to make singular auntie to plural aunties. It's not auntie, it is aunties. Aunt, aunties. Lady, L-A-D-Y, lady. We cut this Y because there's a consonant before it and we write in the place of Y, we write IES. Because there's a Y and a consonant before it. To change from singular to plural, we write IES in the place of Y. Next, we have a consonant again and there's a Y ending. So, you write baby will become babies because there's a Y and a consonant before it. Then coming to country, again a consonant and the last word is Y. So, you cut it down and in Y place you will write country and then IES in the place of Y. Let's see some more examples what we have in our worksheet. We have lorry. Lorry, before it is consonant, cut it down. So, how do you write L-O-R-R-I-E-S? Lorry became lorries. Fly, cut down Y because it is a consonant before it. You will write F-L-I-E-S. Place of Y we got IES. Cut down Y because baby, consonant. B-A-B-I-E-S. Baby became babies. Fairy, you will cut down Y because I is a consonant before it. You will write F-A-I-R-I-E-S, fairies. Then next you have body. You will cut down Y and write IES because there is a consonant before Y. So, it says B-O-D-I-E-S. Next you have story, cut down Y and write IES because there is a consonant before it. S-T-O-R-I-E-S. Stories. Then after that you have family, you will cut down Y because there is a consonant before it, and then in Y's place you will be writing I-E-S. So family becomes families. Last word we have country, which we have done in the example. We'll cut Y because there is a consonant before it. Then you will write countries. So children, we have lorry became lorries, fly became flies, baby became babies, then fairy became fairies, body became bodies, story became stories, family became families, country became countries. So in the next one, let us see, like here you have again consonant, so you will cut this and write I-E-S in its place. Factory, you will cut Y because there is a consonant before Y, you will write with I-E-S. Lady, you will cut Y because there is a consonant again, you will write L-A-D-I-E-S, ladies. Party, you will cut Y because it is a consonant and you will write parties. Children, we are giving you so many examples to convert from singular to plural. It's not for by heart. Please don't by heart them. Learn the tricks. Then automatically you will be able to write plural for any given word. Don't sit and by heart all these words. It's useless. Only thing you need to learn the tricks how to change them from singular to plural. That's it. The many number of examples are given for you to understand better, not for by heart. So now city ending with Y and the consonant, so you have written city has become cities. Pastry also Y you will cut because there is R, that is a consonant before it, you will write pastries. Coming to candy, you will cut, you will cut Y because there is a consonant before it and write candies, I-E-S. Then you have auntie, you will cut Y because there is a consonant before it and write I-E-S. Auntie became aunties, candy became candies, pastry became pastries, city became cities, party became parties, lady became ladies, factory became factories, pantry became pantries. So now my little children, but you may be wondering, okay, consonant fine. In English alphabet, we have consonants and vowels. What about if there is a vowel before Y? That could be a question in your mind, right? Yes. You need to add S if you have Y ending with a vowel before it. If a word ends with Y, having a vowel before it, you will just add S for the given words. Let's see some examples. K-E-Y, key. The last letter is Y, isn't it? Are you cutting it down? No. You are not cutting it down because you have E before it. That is a vowel. You will not cut down. Instead, you will write K-E-Y-S. You will add S for the given word. Same way, T-O-Y, tie. Y, it's ending with Y. There's a vowel before it. We are not cutting it down. Instead, we are keeping the word as it is and adding S to it. Toy became toys. Donkey, ending with Y and it has a vowel before it. So what do? We write donkeys. Key became keys by adding just S for it because the word is ending with Y and has a vowel before it, not a consonant. You will simply add S. Toy became toys. Y and before it is O vowel. So you are adding S to the given word to make it plural. Donkey became donkeys. Now, let's do page number 125. Page number 125. So my little ones, in page number 125, you have the word boy. Boy is here. You are not going to cut it down because you have a vowel. You will write B-O-Y-S. Boy will become boys just by adding S. Day, because there is a vowel and it's ending with Y, you will write D-A-Y-S. That's it. S at the end. Ray, ending with Y and has a vowel before it. R-A-Y-S. Ending with S to make it as a plural. K-E-Y, key. It's having a vowel before it. So you will write K-E-Y-S. Simply add S to make it from singular to plural. Monkey. Children, it's not mungy. It's not mungy. It is monkey. Pronounce it as monkey. So it has a vowel and ending with Y. So it becomes M-O-N-K-E-Y-S. Monkey became monkeys. Then you have tray. T-R-A-Y-S. Why we are writing S? Because we have Y and before that is A. That is a vowel. Next, way. We have a vowel before it. So what do? W-A-Y-S. Ways. There are different ways. Plural. There is only one way. Singular. Then joy. Ending with Y but it has a vowel before it. J-O-Y-S. So the word joy, he is full of joy. She is full of joy. When it comes to plural, you will be wishing somebody, he is filled with joys and blessings, right? Full of joys. He has lots of joys within him, which he sits and thinks and feels very happy, right? Then donkey. Donkey is ending with Y and it has E before it. That is a vowel, isn't it? So we write donkeys. D-O-N-K-E-Y-S. Donkeys. Next, the last word in this is toy. It's having Y at the end, but it also has a vowel before it. So what you're going to write? Just going to add S to the given word to make it as a plural. Now children, let's read these words. Boy, boys. Day, days. Ray, race. Key, keys. Monkey, monkeys. Tray, trays. Way, ways. Joy, joys. Donkey, donkeys. Toy, toys. Now my little ones, next I just want to ask you is, please go through these videos twice or thrice Please learn the tricks in these videos. Don't by heart all the words. Learn how and to change from singular to plural. Like taking off F or FE, throwing it in the C and writing VES in its place, or taking off Y if a consonant is before it, and then in the place of Y you are writing IES to make it as a plural. Candy becomes candies, baby becomes babies, right? So, and if you have a word ending with Y and it has a vowel before it, boy, B-O-Y, boy, Y, ending with Y, but it is having a vowel before it. So, you will not cut or take out anything and throw it and all. You will take as the word is, you will just add S for the given word to make it plural. So, those are the tricks which you need to learn to write plural for any given word. Okay children, that's it for today. Thank you. Have a great time.